Okay. First program that is installation of GNU-PROLOG, study of Prolog, its facts and rules. So first, what we have to do, we have to download that respective GNU-PROLOG software from this respective website. What I will do, just I'll go to the website and I'll show where it is. So if you go to the download section, for example, here if you come to the download section, so here we have the various versions of the and compatibility of the systems. So according to your machine, according to your laptop connectivity or software the supporting, you have to download whatever the you want. So I already downloaded that software. It is in my desktop. So what I will do, just I'll set up the exe file. So double click on it. So whenever you're downloading these kinds of or any kinds of software, first you have to check the system compatibility. If the system is compatible, then only you're going to use that one. So this is what the setup. So I'll say yes. So then it will ask the path where you want to download. By default, I'm giving the C drive as it is. And see here, as we discussed in the class, these are the different types of extensions what we have in the Prolog. That is what .pl, .pro, .prolog file. So just I'll make it everything as enabled. So I'll install. So once you install, so the shortcut will get generated and the editor will launch. So this is how the Prolog which we have to be installed. This is the first step. So based on this, what are the facts, what are the rules we'll use and how we have to use this respective console, we have to work it out. Right? So this is the basic setup of the GNU Prolog. So next, we downloaded and we install the software which we required for our executions. So next, we have to study about the facts and rules. And some of the basic commands and syntax we already seen in the theory classes and the basic lab session. So now I'll move to the directly the facts and rules. So in that first we are going to talk about the symbols. So this is what we explained in the class, right? In English like statement we'll use and, or, if, not. The same predicate calculus will use these respective notations. That is what the circumference operator or what do you say the caret symbol, inverted caret symbol, and if, that is what employed, and negation are tilde for the not. Similarly, in the Prolog, when we're using the and scenario, we have to use comma. When we are using the or scenario, we have to use semicolon. When we are using the if as a condition, then we have to use colon and hyphen, and as usual, not for the not. So these are the respective syntax which we have to use, nothing but the symbols which we have to use in our Prolog. So similarly, next we move to the variables and names. So like how we're creating the variables in our programming languages, similarly here also you have to create a programming language. Whatever the identifiers, the rules we are using there, same we are using. So it's a sequence of one or more uppercase letters or a lowercase letter for it may contain underscore, may not contain underscore, and numerous also. So it can begin with an underscore or lowercase letter. This is a major thing what we have. So if you see here, A is a uppercase letter, J is a Jack, it's a variable, Raghu underscore X is a variable. So here underscore 987X is a variable. So these are the various formats of the variables what we have, but not like this. You should not start with the numbers. You should not start with the numbers. So here we have Raghu underscore X, here we have the Raghu hyphen X. Hyphen we should not use in the variable. And here we have J, Jack, and we are ending with a period symbol. This is not a representation of variable. So variable we have to mention like this. So we have to use the first as uppercase letter or followed by any sequence of numbers or underscore, or just followed by only the respective variable like in lower cases. So these are the formats how to use the variables. Similarly, we'll come to the facts. So facts, what exactly facts? Fact is a predicate expression that makes a declarative statement about the problem domain. So there is a particular information in the facts. So there is a particular information in the facts. So whenever the variable occurs in Prolog expression, it assumed to be universally quantified. Yes, whenever we are using the fact, that should be accepted across the universe. So that is what we call the facts. And note all the prologue sentence must end with a period. So this is very, very important in the prologue. So in our programming languages, what we'll do, we will use a semicolon, or we'll use the ENDL end line, or we will use EOF end of file. So like this we will use for to end the respective line. But here in the prologue we will use period symbol. Here we have to use the period symbol to make that sentence end, right? So this is the fact, nothing but the predicate expression that makes a declarative statement about the problem domain. What exactly the statement we're going to use? What is the mean of that? How we have to declare? So that it will show that respective facts. So for example, here likes Jai, comma Malika. Jai, comma Malika. Comma into what exactly? That is what, right? And so in the sense we are using here likes Jai, comma Malika. It means Jai likes Malika. This is what the domain information. This is what exact the meaning of this respective facts which we are using. Similarly, likes X, comma Malika. What is X? X is a everyone. We don't know what exactly who is the person. X by default it's take everyone as a here. So everyone likes Malika. Likes J, comma Y. J, comma Y. So J likes everybody. Everybody. J likes everybody. See here, first one. In the previous one, we have X, comma Malika. Nothing but everyone likes Malika. But here J likes everybody. J likes everybody. See, this is where we have the differentiation. So first, if you are using the variable at the first phase, that indicates the universal information. Similarly, when we have the variable in the second phase, that depends on the first variable which we are using. So that is what. So Jay likes everybody and everyone likes Malika. This is the difference what we have between in the first phase where we are using the variable and the second phase where we are using the variable. So next we are moving to the likes J, comma Y, comma this is and likes Y, comma J. So the meaning is J likes everybody and everybody likes J. Everybody likes J. So these are two statement what we have. J likes everybody and everybody likes J. These are two statement what we have in our respective facts. Similarly, likes J, comma Malika or likes J, comma Suma. J, comma Suma, right? So the meaning is J likes Malika or J likes Suma. So here either of this, either J likes Malika or J likes Suma, either of one will consider in the fact. But in the previous one, J likes everybody and everybody likes J. So this is compulsory. So both the statements should be true to get the result. Otherwise, we'll give the false. So here either of this, like any one statement. Similarly, not likes J, comma burger. So likes is my fact. Jai and burger are the variables information I'm using. I'm using the symbol called not. That is that means Jai does not like burger. Jai does not like burger, right? So initially, if you take here, Jai likes Malika, right? Jai likes Malika. Suppose if I add not here, Jai does not like Malika. Jai does not like Malika. That is the meaning here we have not likes of Jai comma burger. Jai does not like burger. Similarly, likes Jai comma Malika if likes Jai comma Suma is nothing but Jai likes Malika if Jai likes Suma. So this is the condition. If Jai is liking Suma, then only he will like Malika. Then only will like Malika. But when we are in the and, right? So Jai likes everybody, everybody likes Jai. There is no interdependency. But when we have the if condition, it's a dependency. If Jai likes Suma, then only Jai likes Malika. So that is the cases what we have in the facts. This is the some examples how we have to use the facts in our prologue statement. Similarly, we have the rules. So in the rules, we have the left hand side, if then right hand side. This is what we have. For example, these are rules likes Jai Malika, Jai comma Malika if likes Jai comma Sum. Nothing but Jai likes Malika if Jai likes Sum. So this is a rule. So this is the rule which we are using. Based on this rule, further we will work out in some of the program examples that we will see later. A rule is a predicate expression that uses logical implication if to describe a relationship among the facts. So what are the facts we are using? So between these two facts, so it will define the relation. So a relation in the sense dependency here. Dependency. If Jai likes Suma, then only he likes Malika. That is the dependency what we have. That is the relationship what we have. So that's a prologue rules take from left hand side, left hand side if right hand side, right hand. So this is the example which we have. So if you go further down, friends x comma y if likes x comma y comma likes y comma x. X and Y are friends if they like each other. If they like each other, then only they are friends. Otherwise, they are not friends. That's the meaning. So friends x comma y. So that is what x and y are friends. Likes x comma y and likes y comma x. If this is if, right? So this is if. So that is what if what if this is the facts what I'm using. They like each other. They like. That is what the here x comma y and y comma x. The interchangeability, right? So x comma y and y comma x. That is what likes each other. Similarly, hates x comma y if not likes x comma y. So x hates y. X hates y if x does not like y. So if x is not liking y, then only x hates y. That's the meaning, right? X does not like y. X if x does not like y, then x hates y. This is the conditions what we have. So hates x comma y if not likes x comma y. If x is not liking y, then the x will hate y. Similarly, enemies x comma y not likes x comma y comma not like y comma x. X and y are enemies. X and y are enemies if they do not like each other. So in the first statement, if they like each other, then only they are friends. Then only they are friends. In the last one, if they don't like each other, then both are enemies. Then both are enemies. So then what are the these are the valid rules. So what are the invalid rules? Left of x comma y underscore the colon limit if right of y comma x missing period. Here every statement end with a period. That is very important here. So here we don't have period. This is invalid. Like x comma y comma. We cannot use two statement in the left hand side. So it should be only a single literal. Always remember whenever we're using the rules, left hand side should be only a single literal, not like this. No more than one literal should be available. So here not likes x comma y if it's so LHS cannot be negated. And one more thing here, one more invalid statement. So always the LHS respective rules it should not start with the not or a negation symbol, not a negation symbols, right? So what are the three invalid? One, we have to end with a semicolon, end with a period symbol, and we should not have left hand side more than one rule, and you should not start with the not symbol or a negation symbol. So these are the rules what we have, and these are the facts as well as the variables and symbols. So this is what the first program. Thank you.